Hello friends, welcome to my channel Travel for Life, and in this video I am going to discuss about how to get Schengen visa quickly and for with the longer validity. So I will give you some suggestions on trips based on my experience so that you can get a Schengen visa for a longer validity and you don't need to go to application center multiple times. Okay, so let's go into this video and we'll see one by one what are the suggestions you can use so that you can get the Schengen visa for longer validity. Okay, so first thing first you need to select the right country. Okay, so there are a lot of countries available in Schengen area and you can apply in any of those countries and you can get the Schengen visa for whatever the duration you need it. Okay, but if you apply from a right country, for example, if you apply from country called France, you will get the Schengen visa for little longer duration. They usually give visa for 3 months, 6 months, or maybe 1 year also for visitor visa. That is also based on your applications and you have if you have selected the multi-entry or not. Okay, so all those criterias are there, but France is the best country to select, go for the Schengen visa so that you can get the visa, short-term visa for at least 6 months to 1 year. There are a lot of countries, my lot of friends went for a visa application center in multiple countries like Germany, Austria, different countries, but they have got visa only for like 3 months, 2 months, 1 month, or maybe a few 10 days also. So that you need to take care. You need to think about the right country when you are applying for a Schengen visa. The second thing, so when you are applying for Schengen visa, make sure to select a multiple entry. Okay, if you select single entry, then you won't get a visa for longer durations. So must select the multiple entries whenever you are filling the application form. So this is very third and very important thing is you must need to have a very good bank balance in your account so that it will be easy for them to give you the visa for longer durations. So make sure your account you are maintaining the very good amount in your bank from last 2-3 months. It's not like today you are going to apply for a Schengen visa and yesterday only you kept some money. So it will not work like that. It should have consistent amount of money in your bank account from last 2-3 months, so that will be useful for getting the visa for a longer duration. Another important thing is like your passport should be valid for next 2 to 3 years. It means your passport should be is not going to expire in next 2 to 3 years. One of my friend, he is having the passport is going to expire in next year only, so he got visa only for 6 months. But other people along in his group only they got visa for 1 year because their visa is valid for next couple of years. So another important thing is it's not important. It will not apply with everyone. But if you apply your Schengen visa with a minor or your baby, then it's more chances that you will be get visa for next 1 year. If you are going to apply for a baby, because for baby they don't take biometric, they don't take a photo also. They just need this passport size photo and that will be done. So make sure if you are having baby or minor, if you are applying with them, then you will also get visa for longer duration. Mostly 1 year you will get it. Another very important thing is like whatever the documents mentioned when you submitted your application form. So there are list of documents or checklist provided. You need to give all those documents. So make sure you are giving all those documents correctly and rightly. If you do so, you will get visa very quickly also and for longer durations. So if there is any like something missing or some documents are not clear, then again there will be follow up. They will ask you to provide this document, that documents. So that will also delay your visa, and also you will get you might get a visa for little less duration also. So one more important point you need to take care is like you should have the constant source of income in your bank account when you give like 2-3 months of slip. So you must need to have constant or a very good amount of income in every month. It's not another important thing. When you are going to a visa application center, make sure you have already booked your travel and accommodations. So travel means return tickets you have already booked. So this will give you your visa very quickly. Just some of the suggestions I have based on my experience I have shared with you. So you can use any of them so that you can get the visa for little longer validity and very quickly. So this longer validity is needed because there are multiple countries in Schengen area and you don't need to go to again and again to visa application center to get the visa. So that's why you need to get the if you will get the visa for longer duration, then it will be helpful for you. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye. Thank you.